Today we're diving into the world of code editors and taking a look at Visual Studio Code, or VS Code. Whether you're a coding veteran or just starting out, stick around for this one because we're breaking down 15 reasons why VS Code might be the best right now. First things first, VS Code is free, no hidden costs, no subscription fees, and it's open source. This open nature is why VS Code is a community-driven powerhouse. So you've got your Windows machine, your buddy's rocking a Mac, and your other friend is all about Linux. No problem. VS Code runs flawlessly on all major operating systems. No more compatibility headaches. VS Code just works seamlessly. You might think a full-fledged IDE like VS Code would be a resource hog, right? Wrong. VS Code is lightweight and fast. It launches quickly, runs smoothly, even with large, complex projects. Chapter 4. Extensions galore. Customize your coding experience. Let's talk about one of my favorite things about VS Code extensions. It has a massive library of extensions that let you add any feature or functionality you can imagine. Need support for a specific programming language? There's an extension for that. Want to change the theme and make it look exactly how you want? There's an extension for that too. Chapter 5. Git integration, seamless version control. For any serious developer, version control is non-negotiable. With VS Code, manage your source code like a pro, commit changes, branch out, resolve merge conflicts, all without ever leaving the editor. Chapter 6. IntelliSense, your coding co-pilot. Let's talk about a feature that will level up your coding game. IntelliSense. VS Code's built-in intelligence helps you write code faster and with fewer errors. As you're typing, it suggests completions, provides parameter info, quick documentation, and makes the coding process smoother. Chapter 7. Integrated Terminal, your command center. Remember switching back and forth between your code editor and the command line? VS Code says goodbye to all that. Its integrated terminal lets you execute commands, run scripts, and manage your entire workflow, all without leaving the editor. Chapter 8. Debugging like a pro. Debugging is a part of every developer's life. VS Code's built-in debugger makes it less painful. Set breakpoints, inspect variables, step through code line by line, and figure out what's going on. Customization is key. Make it your own. One size fits all? Not for your coding environment. Tweak the layout, install themes for the look and feel you want, create custom snippets to automate tasks. The possibilities are endless. VS Code speaks your language, and your other language. It supports a ton of programming languages out of the box. Need more? There's an extension for that. JavaScript, Python, Java, C++, you name it, VS Code can handle it. With extensions like LiveShare, you can code together with other developers in real time, share your code, and work on debugging sessions together. It's like Google Docs, but for coding. Nobody likes repetitive tasks. That's why it has an integrated task runner. Automate boring tasks like building, testing, deploying, and free up time for creative work. If you're into web development, VS Code is your new best friend. It supports popular frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js, plus tons of extensions for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The beauty of VS Code is that it's not static. Microsoft is constantly updating it with new features, performance improvements, and all sorts of cool stuff. And because it's open source, there's this incredibly active and passionate community always contributing, creating extensions, and making VS Code even better. Microsoft has put together really comprehensive documentation and tutorials for VS Code that are clear, easy to follow, and cover everything from the basics to the advanced features. It's a great resource for both beginners and experienced developers. So there you have it, 15 reasons why Visual Studio Code is a top choice for developers. From its free and open source nature to its incredible customization options and powerful features, VS Code has a lot to offer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content.